Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Nissan D40 Navara Space Cab RX, stock reference number 4336. This shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25, 4-cylinder, 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed manual four-wheel drive transmission. YD25, 2.5 litre, 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left rear door has 2 small dents. We have the left manual door mirror. Left rear, factory alloy mag, 16-inch, good tyre. It's got a Hayman and Reese aftermarket towbar, supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, width neck. Right hand rear, 16-inch, factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent, as does the right front door. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, manual window reg type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, left hand sun visor, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.